Welcome to ItzRafiq. In this video, we are going to learn how we can find out the total of top 5 top 5 subjects marks out of 6 subjects. Especially in CBSE, this option is there. You will have to give exam of 6 subjects and it will count only the top 5 subjects. Means which subject you are getting less mark, it will exclude. Even in Assam HS, there also there will be 2 core subject, English and MIL, and rest 4 will be elective, and from there it will count only top 3 subjects. So how we can do this? As you can see here, there is one demo mark sheet, roll number, name, and there are 6 subjects: English, Maths, Science, Social, MIL, IT. And from here we have to find out the total 5 subjects marks. Normally we know to do this one total, we write this formula equal sum, then we select the numbers. Equal sum, then bracket, our starting number is 70, then colon symbol, after that ending number, which is H2. Or we can also do this one with mouse pointer. We can select 6 subjects, after that bracket close and hit the enter button. So this is our 6 subjects total, 4, 1, 3, but we need top 5. So let's write one more column. We'll add it here, insert. So one more column added. Now we'll merge this part, home tab, and here merge, and here we'll write top 5. Now our formula will be this one, equal total minus, we'll write another formula, min, which is going to find out the minimum number. Here minimum number is 45, that means 45 is going to reduce from here, and hit enter. So top 5 total is 368. Now to find out the percentage, we will write equal, we can select top 5 1 mark and divide 5, as we are selecting 5 subjects, so 5. So the percentage is 73. Now let's see, if we select from percentage is 73. Now if we select 6 subjects only, what will be the percentage? Let's delete this. Equal total marks we will select, divide 6. So now 68. So this way we can find out the total of top 5 subjects. Now I am removing this column. We are going to use this method, how we can write together. So first we will write equal, then sum, and we will select inside the bracket, we will select all the numbers till IT, and bracket will be closed. So this is the formula. And now minus symbol, again mi and min, that means minimum number, bracket on, and again select till IT. Now bracket close and enter key. This is 368. Now we will write the formula. So equal total divide 5. So this will be the percentage. Now if we have 2 minimum number, then what will happen? Suppose science also the student got 45. Now let's see what will be the answer. So this is our top 5 total. Now let's do the total one. So we'll write equal sum, bracket on, let's select all the subject till IT, bracket close. So this is our 6 subjects total. This is 393. Okay, that means even if we have 2 numbers the same as a minimum number, then at that moment it will deduct only one number. both the number will be not deducted. So this way we can do. And if you want to copy the formula to other cells, you can do this one. Click on the total cell, bring your mouse pointer to the right corner, bottom right corner of the cell, and at that moment the mouse cursor will change into, mouse pointer will change into plus sign. Okay, like this way. And after that you double click, so automatically came all the total. And for percentage also you can do this. Come here, when the mouse pointer change into plus sign, double click, so everywhere came. Now you will see somewhere there is one decimal point, somewhere there is no decimal point. So if you want to give decimal point to all the numbers, you can do this. Select all the numbers, go to home tab, and here you will get this decimal options, increase decimal and decrease. Click on increase. Now there will be two decimal numbers, and again once click on decrease. Now all the number will have one decimal place. So this way you can find out the top 5 total marks by using total and minimum formula. I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.